Hi everyone. I have a story I want to share with you today. You've heard this before, and this is The Three Billy Goats Gruff. I chose this story because it goes great with our G, 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 goats and gruff, and because it's an old favorite. So get ready to listen and enjoy. One of my favorites. Once upon a time, there were three billy goats. They lived in a valley, and the name of all three billy goats was Gruff. There was very little grass in the valley, and the billy goats were hungry. They wanted to go up the hillside to the fine meadow full of grass and daisies, where they could eat and eat and eat and get fat. But on the way up, there was a bridge over a rushing river, and under the bridge lived a troll who was as mean as he was ugly. First, the youngest billy goat decided to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, went the bridge. "Who's that trapping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "Oh, it is only I, the tiniest billy goat Gruff," said the billy goat in his very small voice. "And I'm going to the meadow to make myself fat." "No, you're not," said the troll, "for I'm coming to gobble you up." "Oh, please don't take me, I'm too little, that I am," said the billy goat. "Wait till the second billy goat Gruff comes. He's much bigger." "Well, then be off with you," said the troll. A little later, the second billy goat Gruff came to cross the bridge. Trip, trap, went the bridge. "Who's that tripping over my bridge?" roared the troll. "Oh, it is only I, the second billy goat Gruff, and I'm going up to the meadow to make myself fat," said the billy goat, and his voice was not so small. "No, you're not," said the troll, "for I'm coming to gobble you up." "Oh, please don't take me. Wait a little till the third billy goat Gruff comes. He's much bigger." "Very well, be off with you," said the troll. Then up came the third billy goat Gruff. Trip, trap, went the bridge. The third billy goat Gruff was so heavy that the bridge creaked and groaned under him. He's a big goat. "Who's that trapping over my bridge?" roared the troll. Look at those teeth. Oh dear. "It is I, the big billy goat Gruff," said the billy goat, and his voice was as loud as the troll's. "Now I'm coming to gobble you up," roared the troll. "Well, come along," said the big billy goat Gruff. I've got two horns and 4 hard hooves. See what you can do." So up climbed that mean, ugly troll, and the big billy goat Gruff butted him with his horns, and he trampled him with his hard hooves, and he tossed him over the bridge into the rushing river. There he goes. Then the big billy goat Gruff went up the hillside to join his brothers. Oh, they look so happy. In the meadow, the 3 billy goats Gruff got so fat they could hardly walk home again. They're probably there yet. So, snip, snap, snout, this tale's told out. And that's the end. Thanks for listening.